Back to Wakanda Panning Project. All the ladies that are taking part, the information is in my description box. Click on that, go check and see what progress that they have made on their products that they are using. The Under Eye Brightening by Becca, I have not used it much. This is what it is. So that's the progress on that. Remember, the Wakanda Panning Project goes for 6 months, and then we will see if we want to keep stuff, declutter it, or maybe repurchase. You never know. This is the BFF Perfecting Concealer. It is orange. You use it to correct spots on your face or the darkness on your face that you want to conceal when you put your face powder or your liquid foundation. You take that and you put it to the places like the dark section, the discoloration section, and you can put it everywhere you want to. Do it lightly, don't do it too heavy, because if you do it too heavy, it will be orange. It will make whatever you use orange. And this is what it looks like when I put it on. This is what my hand looks like. The green line is where it's at, and you can see all 3 lines. So there's a little progress, not much, because sometimes I forget to use it. The lipstick by Milani, I have been using it a lot. This is where it's at right now. The first 2 lines is what I have done. Right now I will mark it. So this is the 3rd line. First 2 lines I used first time, second time, and now this is the 3rd time we are doing the Wakanda project. This is when we started. This is the first time we give an update. Now this is the 2nd time, and as you can see, I have used it a lot. It is a very pretty color. The lip liner, I did sharpen it, but I have not used it since I sharpened it. The next thing, I thought I would be done with it this time, but I guess I haven't. This is all left. I have 1 more use. I thought it would be done this time, but I only have 1 more use left out of the eye base. Eye base. 1 more use. Now for the foundation, I will use this to measure where I go this way. I did the measurement and it is showing. I did this measurement and it's showing. The measurement I did shows right here. I have been using this a lot, so I'm not surprised that it's going down. So this is where I'm at. The bottom line is where the foundation is at right now. If you'd like to become a part of this collab, DM Accessorize Your Life 60 on Instagram. But this is the Wakanda Panning Project that we are doing, and in 6 months we will show you. Every month we come and show you what the progress is on our panning project. And I'm just putting the foundation on. It is such a pretty foundation. The match is perfect. It is by El Maquillage. This is what the foundation looks like. Thank you all again for watching. Always remember, self is first, love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying to always create your own magic. Bye.